I'm going to show you the easiest way to make quick cash in Pakistan without spending a single rupee. Are you looking to earn money online in Pakistan without any investment? Look no further. With Comrade Secrets, you can start making easy cash right from the comfort of your own home. Comrade is a platform that allows you to sell digital products like ebooks, courses, and more. And the best part? You don't need to invest any money to get started. All you need is a computer, smartphone, an internet connection, and a product to sell. Simply create an account on Gomrad, upload your product, set a price, and start promoting it to your audience. With Gomrad's easy to use interface and built in marketing tools, you can start making money in no time. And the best part, you get to keep a majority of the profits. So, what are you waiting for? Start your online earning journey in Pakistan in today with Comrade Secrets. The second method is freelancing. Freelancing is a popular way to earn money online. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to offer your skills and services to clients from around the world. Whether you are good at writing, graphic design, programming, or any other skill, there is a demand for it online. Method 3: Content creation. If you have a talent for creating content, whether it's making videos, writing blog, or creating social media posts, you can monetize your content through platforms like YouTube, blogging platforms, and social media. Method 4: Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can join affiliate programs of various companies and promote their products through your website, blog, or social media channels. Method 5: Online tutoring. With the rise of online education, there is a growing demand for online tutors. If you are knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring services online through platforms like tutor.com, Check Tutors, or even independently through social media. In consolation, there are numerous opportunities to earn money online in Pakistan without any investment. Whether you choose freelancing, content creation, online tutoring, or affiliate marketing, the key is to find something you are passionate about. The work hard to succeed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money online.